Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, consider subscribing. Maintenance is the primary content, and everything in between the maintenance pretty much you're gonna find reviews, different brand of oils, and not just nonsense reviews like just opinion. When I do reviews, I do oil analysis reports. That's how I base my reviews. Some kind of proof, because opinion is opinion. It's your opinion just as good as my opinion. But today I'm going to show you guys something that Kohler engine owners been looking for a long time. Anyone who's in a commercial landscaping category, they know that oil change intervals for equipment for Kohler engines about 80 hours. So every other week you have to change the oil, which is basically, who does that? People just don't have time to change oil every other week. Now Kohler come up with a, well, not a Kohler come up with, they got smarter. As anyone knows that Kohler or any other brands OEM, they don't make their own oil. They go to different suppliers and they ask them, formulate, make for us oil, put in our bottles, and so on. So this is what they did. So this is a kit. You cannot buy this kit at, I'm not sure about stores, not many stores. You might find it at stores, you might not, but the best place is online. You might think, online? Who buys stuff online? Well, here is the thing. Most of the stuff today is online. A few days ago, I had a mailman dropping off some packages for me, and we started talking, and he's like, man, with this pandemic, everyone is ordering online. And I'm like, but sometimes it's good to go to the store and check it out. He's like, he's an older man too. He's like, why would you want to go to the store? I was like, what? You don't want to go to the store and actually try it and feel it? Nope. He's like, it's so convenient to do it online. No wonder Amazon is #1 place in the world for stuff, and people pay premium membership just to have products shipped in 3 days or in 1 day, whatever that is. You know what I mean? I don't have that Amazon Prime. It's too expensive for me. What I have noticed, just to give you a quick insight, I buy my stuff often on Amazon and I get it in less than 3 days without Prime. So picture that. So there you go. So for me to have that membership, it ain't worth it. So let me show you what this kit is. Well, about now your Kohler engine owner can run this oil for 300 hours. 300 hours, that's probably what? Probably a month. You can change, every other month or so, depending on how much you run. So if you run 40 hours a week, let's say, 40 times 4, that's 160. So you can get about 2 months, a month and a half. So which is very nice. 2 oil changes per summer or so. That's outstanding. Some details here. Which engine family this kit is for. So very nice. Nice of Kohler, Of providing this kit, I'm gonna open up and show you guys what comes in with it. So when you pop the top open, you notice instantly, depending on the engine size, you can have 2 quarts, 3 quarts, and I guess more. But this is specifically is you get 2 quarts of oil and oil filter for your professional equipment. So now you can protect your equipment without worrying about voiding a warranty because you're not changing oil enough. And this landscaping equipment is very expensive. If anyone look into it, we're talking about an average price of 10K and up. Crazy expensive. So what do I want to show you guys? Well, let's see. It's 10W50 extended life synthetic engine oil. So good. Provides 300 hours of oil change intervals. Nice. Very nice. Commercial engine oil specifications. So manufactured for Kohler. Look at it, read. Manufactured for Kohler. So a giveaway. Kohler does not make their own oil, just like other brands out there. OEMs don't make their own oil. They go to oil suppliers. Nice. Look at this picture. Extended life. No way. Who supplies this oil? AMSOIL? AMSOIL makes this oil? No way. Wait. Did I miss this on the front? Oh, it does say AMSOIL. Look at this. Look at this. But unfortunately, let's see if we can find an MSoil website. Gonna put you guys on hold for a second. And actually, you can buy this at the MSoil website. MSoil makes this oil for Kohler, but you cannot buy it at MSoil website. I'll post a link where you can actually buy it. There are a few stores that might carry this, but online is the place to go. You buy a couple kits, and you're good for your lawn mowing season. You know, depends where you're at. If you're south, your lawn mowing season maybe never ends. It's year round. But if you're up north, well, you only have like from May till October, November or so. But then you might be running your snow removal equipment. So there you go, sir. So you could be running too year round. So depending what kind of business you have, what kind of equipment you have, so this might be a perfect solution for you to protect equipment and spend less time in the shop changing oils or spending less time buying new equipment because the equipment was not protected well due to lubrication. So, well, thanks for watching. If you already tried this product, I would love to hear from you. How is this Kohler 300 3 times longer works for you versus regular Kohler, you know, non-synthetic oil the Kohler sells, or some other products the Kohler sells. So thank you for watching and have an awesome day.